Glass is a fascinating material. It withstands wind and weather and imparts on buildings a transparency and elegance. Without glass, it's hardly realizable to imagine modern light-permeated architecture. However, handling this material requires professionalism. Physical forces that influence the building facade have to be controlled for safety. The answer is punctum, the point fixture system of SWS. This confronts the manifold challenges of glass construction facades with innovative and detailed on-point solutions. Punctum can be modularly installed and, according to the manner it's used, is provided with the appropriate functions for maximum flexibility. SWS showed absolutely no compromises in its selection of materials for in-glass facade architecture. One thing is indispensable: safety. Punctum consists of weather-resistant V4A stainless steel combined with high-quality elastomers for the gentle take-up of glass. The silicon rings and clamp washers are extremely durable, weather and UV resistant. Static load tests of the individual system components have shown that punctum has enormous safety reserves. The great strength of punctum is shown in the acceptance of wind loads over the glass surface by means of an optimal transmission of force in the substructure. Through an interior swivel head, the occurring loads are distributed harmoniously. A positive effect: the glass thickness can be reduced when needed. Punctum can be installed easily and exactly with a few hand movements. The basis of this simple installation on the facade is the punctum safety technology. A fixed, a vertical and two movable bearings can easily be installed in the carrying sleeve and tightened via threaded safety in situ. Through the variability of the bearing, maximum flexibility is guaranteed. In addition, the installation is simplified by the innovative resetting function of the joint pin. It's bedded by a silicon disc and secures itself in the right angle of the glass surface. Spider and point holder are optically and technically aligned on each other. In cooperation with each of the individual elements, variations on the substructure and dimensional tolerances are equalized. The point fixture is connected to the spider using two adjusting rings. Through the simplified installation, adjusting the system and equalizing dimensional tolerances becomes immensely easy. Between the adjusting rings and the bearing technology slide discs from PTFE support the functionality. There are two possibilities with which to mount the point fixture with the glass onto the facade. 1. Point fixture and pane have to be pre-mounted and then placed together on the facade, or 2. The point fixture can be connected in advance to the facade and the glass has to be fitted in the end and tightened with screws. Whether the expert mounts in front of or behind the facade depends on the distance to the supporting frame. Here again, punctum also offers maximum flexibility. Assembly keys and universal wrenches are the SWS tools best suited to screw on point fixtures. In order to guarantee safety for all kinds of installations, it's essential for safety purposes to use a suitable screw locking device. This depends on the right tightening torque. Here too, SWS gives a simple support. Initially, the system is secured hand-tight. The final tightening is eventually achieved via a last turning of the assembly key. This rotation starts, for instance, at 12 hours and ends at 3 hours. The system punctum is already optionally equipped with the E-coupling developed by SWS. Therefore, completely new possibilities are presented here in glass architecture. LED rings in the point fixtures are electrically controlled and send the light into the glass surface. Through suitable surface treatment, for example silkscreen or engravings, unique light effects are created. The interactive facade. LEDs cannot only be made to illuminate on the edge of the pane. Via glass, which is electroconductive, it's also possible within the glass surface. The embedded LEDs illuminate house numbers, logos, business hours, or any communication details. The intelligent facade. And all of this in the safe 24-volt low-voltage technology. Through perfectionism in development and construction, new standards in form, function and handling could successfully be set up. With punctum, SWS has heralded a new era in glass architecture.